To get the best rates for a TD Bank certificate of deposit, it is essential to understand how CD rates work and what factors influence them. A certificate of deposit is a time deposit offered by banks with a fixed interest rate and maturity date. The interest rate is determined by the bank and is typically higher than a traditional savings account. The first step is to research and compare TD Bank CD rates with other banks to find the best option. TD Bank offers a range of CD terms, from a few months to several years, and each term has its own interest rate. Generally, longer terms offer higher interest rates, but you will face penalties for early withdrawal. The next step is to consider the minimum deposit requirement and the interest compounding frequency. TD Bank typically requires a minimum deposit, which can range from a few hundred to several $1,000s. The interest can be compounded daily, monthly, or annually, and this can affect the overall interest earned. To maximize your earnings, it is crucial to choose the right CD term and interest rate. If you can afford to keep your money locked in a CD for a longer period, you may be able to earn a higher interest rate. However, if you need access to your money, a shorter term may be more suitable. Another key concept is the penalty for early withdrawal. If you withdraw your money before the maturity date, you will face a penalty, which can range from a few months to a year's worth of interest. It is essential to understand the penalty structure before opening a CD. In addition to the interest rate, you should also consider the bank's fees and services. TD Bank offers online banking and mobile banking, which can make it easy to manage your CD. You should also check if the bank has any maintenance fees or other charges that may apply. To get the best TD Bank CD rates, you should also consider the following best practices. First, take advantage of promotional offers, which can provide higher interest rates for a limited time. Second, consider ladder CDs, which involve opening multiple CDs with different terms to maximize your earnings. Third, keep an eye on interest rate changes and be prepared to adjust your CD strategy accordingly. By following these steps and considering these factors, you can get the best rates for a TD Bank certificate of deposit and maximize your earnings. Remember to always read the terms and conditions carefully and understand the penalty structure before opening a CD. With the right strategy, you can make the most of your money and achieve your financial goals.